Okay, so this is the Samsung adapter that I bought the other day. That came with the keyboard. It should allow me to plug the keyboard into the phone that I use. But this is made in Korea, which is good. You can see the model number on here as well. This model, put that close to the camera so you can see what it is. It's manufactured quite early as well, so it's a new product. It hasn't been in the stock room for very long. This is what it says. You can plug your phone into a printer as well. There's not much on the packaging, but that is a bit misleading because I got the micro USB plugging into the main USB, and that's not right. Let's open it up. Can't seem to open it. I wonder why. So delicate process because I don't want to damage the box. This costs £7.7 off Amazon as well. Nothing else in the box. There's no contents on the outside of the box either. Maybe it's on here. Support card. User manual. Don't think I need the user manual for the adapter there. That's all it is. I'm gonna plug my keyboard into my phone and see if it works. Just leave this packaging on it for the time being. I got the receiver from the keyboard. There's nothing important that says on there. Something important that is written on there. Just plug that into here and it should. was not going in. There we are, it's gone in. Put it on the phone. Not missing my password. But it seems to have worked. I'm not doing it, I don't do that. I'm gonna turn it on now. So yeah, it works. You can see that the receiver's plugged in here, then goes into the phone, and then you can type. You can type on the keyboard, and it goes on the phone, so which is quite good, I think. That's it. Any questions, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.